No rush in my step today, no plans I need to chase. Just sunlight on the table and quiet in the space. I water plants, they drink it slow. The room breathes soft and low. Every moment, and that's enough to know it's a simple day, nothing loud or bright. The peace comes in pieces when I'm not holding tight. It's a simple day, and that's okay. The gentle kind of living that lets my mind just be. Clouds drift across the window,